Hello dear guests and subscribers to our channel. We are happy to welcome you. Are you in search of companies that provide the required amount as a personal loan in the shortest possible time? Then this video is sure to be useful for you as we take an in-depth look at the top 3 personal loan services in the Philippines in 2021. Links to the company's websites can be found in the descriptions. Some organizations are willing to give a zero-rate loan on your first application, but still, others can offer very good deals that won't leave you indifferent. Get comfortable and we will begin. Number 3. Kviku. This is an ideal opportunity to save your time and get a quick solution to domestic situations or financial difficulties without having to leave your home. It is especially useful when there is no time to travel to bank offices in search of a loan. Kviku is always ready to work with you remotely via any device with internet access. All work is carried out without involvement of third parties, which allows you to keep your request for the company's services confidential. All you need is your Filipino passport details. Please provide only valid details to avoid any problems with the authorization and operation of the service. Very often, clients are denied a request simply because they were careless and made a typo in the application form. Therefore, it is very important to double-check everything, which will speed up the lending process and save time for correction. To apply for a loan, please select the amount and repayment terms on a handy loan calculator, which will give full preliminary information. Exact details will be known immediately after checking all your provided information. You can borrow an amount from 500 to 25,000 Philippine pesos for a period from 60 to 180 calendar days. Once you have decided on the amount and timing, the service requires you to create an account, complete the application, and provide passport details. You can repay the loan in any convenient way. You can do it through your account on the service's website or at a bank branch in the Philippines. The service does not provide loans for free but gives each borrower the best interest rates, which is in particular are lower than most personal microcredit companies. It depends on how actively you use the company's services and how well you have repaid your debts. Any Philippine citizen from 20 to 55 years old who provides his or her ID card details, mobile phone number, and email address can become a client of the company. Number 2. Digigo RoboCash. Digigo, also known under the brand name RoboCash, is a service that makes it possible for people to resolve various financial issues here and now. In line with its objectives, the company aims to provide fast cash assistance without the need to visit offices in person and spend hours waiting in queues. We are glad to see that among personal loan companies, some put their customers as a priority. The company assures us that the service will provide virtually every loan application received. Your credit history will not be a reason for rejection because everyone has the right to get financial help when they need it. The offer is a personal loan of 1,000 to 10,000 Philippine pesos when you first apply. Thereafter, the loan limit will be increased to 25,000 Philippine pesos. The loan terms range from 3 to 6 months. Any resident of the Philippines aged between 21 to 70 years old with an identity card and registered in the country can apply for the service. New clients will be rewarded by the service with low interest rates, which will enable them to rehabilitate themselves in the personal loan market in time to become permanent borrowers of Digigo. According to the organization, the entire application process takes about 5 minutes. Applications are automatically processed and allow you to apply for a personal loan round the clock at any time of the day or night. You register on a website, fill in the application form, and in an instant, a decision on your request will be known. You only have to sign the contract and instantly get the money to your bank account. By the way, the company often conducts lotteries among its customers. For example, at the time of writing the video, a new e-bike which will allow you to bypass any traffic jams with a breeze. Follow the link in the description to find out what's in the store for you. Number 1. MoneyCat. Faced with an unpleasant financial situation and wondering how to solve it quickly, we are here to help. First place in our ranking is a convenient online personal lending service, working remotely without the need to visit the company's office. You also don't need any guarantors, references from work, or any other paperwork. This means any citizen of the Philippines older than 22 years of age with a valid identity card and mobile phone number can become a customer of the service. Receiving the loan takes place in a jiffy. You just need to fill out an application form where your passport details will be required. The bank card and passport must be in the name of one person. This way, a MoneyCat prevents fraud and identity theft and prevents you from taking out personal loans in the name of another person. In case you have any questions, you can always contact the hotline, as well as send an email to the company's email address. There is also an option to use the online chat with an expert who will provide expert assistance and solve the problem. Loan amounts range from 500 to 20,000 Philippine pesos for a period of 10 to 180 calendar days. By the way, the first time you apply, you get a 0% interest rate for the duration of the loan. MoneyCat is ready to provide a loan even if your credit history leaves much to be desired. As it does not play a major role in the decision-making process, the company assures that around 9 out of 10 applications are approved and receive their deserved loan on favorable terms. This is also confirmed by numerous testimonials where almost everyone speaks positively about their experience with the company and is willing to recommend it to their friends. You can pay the loan either in your account or at the cash register of any Philippine bank. Thank you for watching the video to the end. All the links to the services are in the description. You can always apply to more than one company if one of our top choices has turned you down. Note that the terms and conditions of the loan are different for each service, so you always have a chance. The main thing is to search, and our channel will help you with this. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.